Hello, and today I'm going to be doing a Crappy Bird game review. So it looks as if it's a little bit harder than the normal Flappy Bird, but it's, I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, my bird can roll. Wow, this bird is pretty dumb because I don't think a bird is supposed to be able to roll at all. I think it's a little unnatural. Wait, what do I have to get? 100? No way. I will never get to 100 on this game. In Flappy Bird itself, my best is like 100. Oh, I get new birds? I gotta get 50 then at least. I'm half as good, so I can get half the record. The white things look like clouds. Wow, this bird is really crappy. Wow, okay. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you'll get this game.